Give me a minute. Or instead of this, I'm just gonna do this. Perfect. Holy shit. Hello? Yeah. Okay. No comment. This behavior is not in line with what? This behavior is not in line with our policy and may result in gifting suspension, future continuance and more. Notorious action without clear objectives or sustaining engagement. What? What was this TikTok? I don't understand. Is it because I wore eyeglass? You guys are just crazy. Welcome everyone. Okay, so welcome guys. Should we buy limits on this setup? The audio is low. I know. I'm just trying to set up some things. I'll be back in our minutes, guys. I'll be back in a minute. Let's go sort some things out. All right, guys. Welcome to today's live. Welcome to today's live. Oh. All right, guys. Welcome to today's live. This is the buy zone for today. This is the buy zone. I'm gonna buy there. I don't know what's wrong with TikTok. TikTok is just doing what it wants to do. I don't know what's wrong. So it's almost in the zone. It's almost in the zone. Almost there. Oh, few pips to the zone. I missed your buy setup. No, you haven't. It's almost there. I think some few pips to the zone. Okay. So good. It's in the zone right now. So let's see if it's gonna trigger our setup. So I'm taking a buy. Okay, so setup has been triggered. They got sub. Okay, setup is active, guys. Buy zone is active. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Golden zone, right? My stop loss is just here right now. Okay, my stop loss is 62, guys. So 51.62, and it's in the zone right now. So let's see how it goes. Can we see that reaction? I love this reaction. I love this rejection, guys. Can we see? Entry at 69 and is at 71. That's like that. That's like 30 plus pips. $30 plus pips. 30 plus pips. Brother, what time frame is this? You can see the time frame below here. Oh, I see it. Let me see all your charts. Oh, I see it. Hey man, I was able to pay my tuition fee because of your signals. Haha, thanks. You're welcome, bro. That's the joy. Making everyone profit. Giving everyone profits. Hola, should we buy limits on this setup? Yes. The audio is low. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Should we please buy limit? Yes, we did, and it has triggered already. It's already moving down in my charts. Entering, it's already touched 516 on my charts. I love this move. Say hi. What time frame is this? Time frame is always below here. So, guys, this setup is currently on 40 plus pips, right? I love the rejection I'm seeing. Excellent. What am I seeing on TikTok? What is TikTok people saying? I mean the earlier setup. I miss your buy setup. Okay, the earlier setup. Okay, sorry. That's why there is always the next one. You do trade MSNR. What does that even mean? I'm not hearing you. Okay. Hi. The Falcon eye at forehead. It's, I don't know what that means. It's enter or not. Already in the trade, so it did give 30 plus pips before coming back again. So 15 minutes candlestick is closing right now, and let's see if this next candle is gonna start with a push to the upside, okay, or it's just gonna keep going down and take us out. The setup did give 30 plus pips actually, and it has reversed just now, so I'm still in the setup. Okay, is it possible gold can touch 5220 today? Market is not predictive, it's reactive. Okay, so you can just see what you feel. I just did this setup based on my own sentiments and the rest, seeing liquidity and all that. So it's not as if I own the market to say yes, it will definitely get there. I just do my analysis, enter the trade. If it goes well, fine. If it doesn't, I learn from it. That's how it does. And right now, after 30 pips, is just trying to head to take us out. Let's see. Stop loss is still at 62. Okay, so not changing. What? SL hits. I was managing risks. Your stop loss was bigger than my balance. I saved my account. What's the stop loss on this setup? 70 pips to 700 pips. That's 10-hour setup. And you're saying the stop loss is big. I've seen mentors that give 300 pips stop loss, bro. 70 pips at in this time of the market, how gold is moving up and down is big stop loss. Then you should be probably trading with $5 as your account balance, which is not for you. You should just carry your $5 or $10 and just go and eat food and serve yourself a very good egusi and very good chicken and rice and eat, cause I don't know. Is that possible? If he's saving his account from just a 10 pip drawdown, then it means he's trading with probably maximum $10 accounts, and he has entered with maybe a bigger lot size that couldn't hold his account. So that's the trend. So the setup, sorry, gold is still in the setup. Okay, I'm still in the trade, although it gave 30 pips. It gave 30 pips earlier, but then it now came back to enter the setup fully. Okay, and then I'm still maintaining my stop loss of 62, and let's see how it goes. Okay, I don't usually take partial on 30 pips. I usually take at, meaning at this market I know that gold usually give like 100 pips in less than 5 minutes, so I usually take partial at 100 pips and set break even. Okay, so if this is gonna just do whatever it wants to do here, it's fine. Although I gave this setup since, what time did I even drop this setup to my community? I think it should be around 9 a.m. or so, and I did this. It has taken out this liquidity, taking out this structure. So you should respect it, except it shouldn't respect it, then probably it will go to the next demand zone here or this support here. But then let's keep looking. What is TikTok actually? What is TikTok saying? Live, what? This behavior is not in line with our policy. Who is doing that? I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Let's check. DXY is bullish. The Falcon Eye at forehead. DXY is bullish. Okay. Where is even the DXY? Let me see. Oh, you see, that's why gold is falling. Well, let's see how it goes. Where is my okay? So almost a stop loss 62. Gonna hit us on stop loss. Then we'll call it a day. Okay, so we're still maintaining our cool. There's no need to panic and say whatever. Still maintaining the stop loss and taking partial at 100 pips. Okay, so you're trading gold probably harder than. How long have you been trading now? Are you a profitable trader yet? How much money have you made yet? What motivated you to start trading? All this questioning in one line. How long have you been trading? I think, how long? 2021 to now. That's 5 years, right? Let's just make it 4, because the first year was just rubbish. It was just scalping and gambling and the rest. Okay, and then what's the next question? Are you profitable trader yet? You can check my track record and see if I'm profitable or not. So don't need to answer you for that. Results speak for itself, right? So how much money have you made yet? Of course, I can't answer that. I can't start figures. I'm not those ones that will go online and tell you. I'm not those traders that will go online and tell you they swept or they turn how many $1,000 to. Holy crap! My YouTube has cancelled. I know those traders that will go online and tell you they took $100 to 500K within 3 months. That's how much they've made now. So how much I've made in forex remains only to me, because yeah, I know where I'm coming from. So definitely, so that's gonna be with me. So the next interview question is, what motivated you to start trading? What else is gonna motivate me to start trading aside making money and making mama proud, making the family proud? That's what motivated me. Escape of poverty. Okay, I hate being broke. I hate begging. I want to be independent. So that's what motivated me to start trading. Okay, making the whole family proud. I want to be the breadwinner of the family. So taking everyone out of the trench. So what's the next question? I think I've answered all your questions. That was an interview. Thank you. So what is your Telegram channel, please? Once you click my profile, click the link there. You see Telegram there. Click it. It will take you. You will see a link there. Click it. It will take you to my Telegram channel and you join. That's where I drop all these setups and when I do go live and all that. So what's the next question again? Well done, man. Great setup. Thank you. I think the setup is moving well now. So there's no need to panic and all that. I see our buy limit 5168 TP51 Good, that's nice. First taking partial profit should just be above here. This is the first liquidity. So if this setup is gonna work, I expect gold to come and take out the, since it has taken out this liquidity that I used. Okay, since it has taken that out, I expect gold to come and take this out now and keep going. So the first taking profit is 5192. Okay, so what's this? One question: how do you set for your stop loss? What do you look for? See your stop loss. That's an expo, which I cannot say. That's like me telling you my strategy and what have you. That's what I'm gonna teach when I start my mentorship classes. So you can say that. All you just need to do is, are you a swing trader or a scalper? You know what the meaning is. Scalpers are traders that, I think 10 pips, 20 pips is enough for a scalper, right? And within the next 5 minutes, they close the trade. So I'm not that type of trader. If you can see above here, you're gonna see aggressive swing trader. So I'm very aggressive. So I don't know how you name your swing trader or day trader, but of course I do target higher pips, higher risk to reward ratio, minimum 500 at least. This setup now is like, let's just say minimum 200. This setup is targeted for 700 plus pips. Okay, so you can see how it is. Then I'm answering plenty questions today. Are you a swing trader? Okay, what's the next setup question again? Which app better using? I'm using TradingView right now. This is TradingView. I use Xnest as a broker, so those are the two apps I think I use, and MT5 to execute my trade. Well, you don't win every. Of course, I don't win every. Okay, no one wins every trade. No mentor, no trader is going to tell you he doesn't hit stop loss. Okay, every trader, no matter how your strategy is, you must hit stop loss, no matter how. Once in a while, one time or the other. And what's this next? But okay, what's the next question? I have mine. Good afternoon, sir. How do you set up stop loss? How do you decide that level? I've skipped that. Thanks for screen description, my G. Bye. Which app is better using? Answered. I just let this play out. Where am I? I think YouTube is trying to capture me. Okay. So what's that? How are you starting the mentorship class? How soon? What have you done so far with trading profits, if you don't mind me asking? Like a car or innovation eggs? Those are very personal questions I can't be answering, bro. What have you done? I have everything I have. I have everything I want. Okay, I have everything I want as a man. I have everything. Anything you can call, car, house, anything, I have them. So it's just that I'm not good in flaunting on the internet. Another person will answer you and say it's because you don't have money. That's why you don't want to flex on the internet. I know where I'm coming from, so can't be flaunting like that. When are you going to do mentorship? I'll be present every day, very soon. Your zones are always valid. Thank you. As you can see, the zone is already valid. I'm just doing as if I'm not seeing the setup as it's moving very well. It's actually moving very well. Let me see my TikTok, guys. Sorry guys, TikTok questions on YouTube are too much. That's why I'm not even looking at your questions. Questions on YouTube are too much, so that's why it's as if I'm not seeing your questions. I'm seeing them. Okay, how soon are you going to start? Very soon, guys, so don't worry. When are you starting? How old are you? I'm curious about the mentorship. I'm curious. I am not. I'm not curious. It's based on requests. I'm not curious about it. I'm not curious about it. Okay, setup is active, guys. What a move! Let's go. So, how many peeps from here? I think I made some entries here. I set buy limit and that. Let's go. That's the move I was looking for. Let me see. Let me see. You really want to learn? Okay, some perfect move, guys. Perfect move. So I'm gonna set break even right now. Okay, TikTok, just hold yourself. I don't know what's wrong with you, TikTok. Stop disconnecting and connecting. I'm tired of you, bro. Stop that shit. Okay. So I'm gonna set break even right now because I am risk free. This is 50 plus pips, right? So I'm risk free, so setting break even right now. If it comes back to take me out on break even, then I'm gonna call it a day. That was so good. That was so good. That was so good. That was a great zone. Wow, what a push. What a push. What a zone, guys. What a zone. What a zone. Woo! W's in the chat, guys. Did you take this trade? Did you make profits? Are you making profits? Drop the W in the chat. Buyers are aggressive. Yeah, that's why we have our setup. Let's see what DXY is doing. DXY is just trying to resist this, but nevertheless, we don't care. We are in profit. So I'm on break even, guys. You can see I'm on break even. So if it's gonna reverse and take me out on break even, that's enough for me, guys. So can we buy good now? Are you just joining? Are you just joining? Alright. Maybe you're just joining now. Ooh, okay. Oh, Brother, it will be stuff because firstly it will further after it will fall after go up. Who cares? I don't care. Except you're just joining now. I don't care. I'm on break even already. So even if it falls back down, break even and I rest. So that's just it. Simple as that. So anything it wants to do now, it's on itself. So I don't care whatever it wants to do now. The zone still remains good. I'm on break even. Right now, so tug of war at PO. What was that? Welcome everyone. Close your channel. Close your channel. I can close you from joining the live, so it's just the same thing. How are we doing, guys? I think it's almost hitting my break even for the entry I made on 67. It has hit break even for the one I made on 69. But then I'm still holding the one that I made on 67. So, but it's still dancing in the zone though. So let's see how it goes. I think we're still gonna be looking at it. But then, you know my rule. You know the normal thing. Going live is only for 1 hour a day, okay? And these glasses are so tight. You can feel them on my head, guy. These glasses are so tight. You can feel them on my head. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment. I can't see your support. I can't see your likes and share. You're on YouTube, you're on TikTok. Don't forget to click the like button. Okay? Click the like button, click the comments button, share, like, comment. Okay? That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. This is how we do it. Woo, this is how we do it. Can you answer my question? You go long under point of control. I think that's the menu, right? You this TikTok. You just keep messing up. It has cancelled. I think TikTok has ended on its own. I'm just gonna leave it. You just keep canceling and on your own. Well, that's all for TikTok then. So let's continue on YouTube. For those that are on YouTube, are we looking at it? So now it's now excellent on TikTok, on YouTube. So guys, we are totally on break even. Go. He has multiple media to look at. It was was that good to go, but he was not replying. Bro, I have plenty things to look like, okay? I'm currently live in 3 different places, okay? I'm looking at TikTok live. TikTok has ended on its own. I'm looking at YouTube here. And I'm looking at my charts. I'm looking at the trade. I'm also trying to go on it. So, guys, just try to maintain my zone and just take your trades and set your break even. All this unnecessary question of can I enter now? Can I do this now? If it's not in my zone, do not enter. You have missed it. Simple. Now we moving. So let's do this. Are you guys winning? Let's see that W in the charts. Let's see that W in the charts. Now we're moving. Now we're moving. Let's see that W in the charts. He said, I'm not buying. Oh, sorry. I'm on break even, guys. Any reversal from here back to the entry is considered invalid, okay? Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we good. Can you recommend a broker, please? Yeah, I am using Xness, okay? So I don't know what broker you want to use. That's the broker I use. TradingView analyze my setups. Xness is the broker I use, and then I execute my trades on MT5. That's simple. So Xness is the broker I use. So everybody has his own brokers I use. Somebody can tell one can tell you that Xness is a very bad broker. I've received review from them that they are very bad. And Xness is the best because they are the best. Xness is a broker. You can see if you can read my mouse. Check my mouse is Xness. Okay. This was a gift from Xness. I think I have plenty things about Xness on my decks here that I can't show. Let me see again if I have another one. I think this is my journaling book. Okay, this is Xness. You can see it's Xness. So I have plenty things about Xness. This is my journaling book that is Xness. So Xness is the broker I use. Okay, they're the best for me. What do I have again about Xness? Plenty things on these decks. Okay, so that is it. So we moving. XM is good. Yeah, that's what I said. I said everybody have his own or broker that he feels it's good for them to use. So you can use anything you want to use. Okay, no one is gonna stop you. As long as the only thing is, as you're making profits, are you being able to withdraw from those brokers? Make sure as you're clicking withdraw from your profits, they will not give you story of whatever and whatever and whatever and that's. Come on, guys. Are we seeing this? Are we seeing that push? Are we seeing that push? Come on. From here, are we seeing? From here, around 64, 65. That's 150 plus pips currently. So if it's gonna reach 85, that's 200 plus pips. W's in the chat. How do us know you are using real accounts? That's your own concern. If I'm using real or demo, that's your own concern. That's your own. I don't have anything to prove to anybody, okay? As long as, even if I'm using fake accounts or whatever, I'm not flaunting online or whatever saying I have 100 million in my account. I have that. I don't care. Only thing I'm after is coming live, give you setup. If you wish, trade. If you don't wish, do not trade. So that's now my business. Okay. Okay, congratulations to everyone that took this setup. Setup was actually shared in my community. Like, if you join my Telegram community, you see when I shared the setup. Actually, congratulations to everyone that took advantage of this setup. Pam, pam, pam. 200 pips plus. Achieved. Setup was shared live. Dim. Yeah, if you were in this live earlier when I started, I said if it's gonna respect this my zone, just know that the first take profits is gonna be at 92 because that's where the liquidity is. First take profits is gonna be 92. Setup is currently running 200 plus pips from N3. From N3, guys. What's this? W's in the charts, bro. If you're in this live and you took this trade, you're currently running profit. Drop that W in the charts. Drop that win in the charts. Drop your comments. Come on, if you join my Telegram channel right now with the link in my bio, you're gonna even see when I dropped the setup around 9:31 a.m. 9:31 a.m. That's when I dropped this setup before even coming live around 1 p.m. So you can imagine the amount of patience I did from 9:31 to now 12:30 before this setup is playing out. 3 good hours waiting for a setup. So that's it. The thing is patience, guy. If you're not patient with gold, gold is just gonna smack you down, bro. Gold is just gonna smack you down if you're not patient with gold. So I was patient with gold for 3 good hours. And that's it. Which country are from, bro? I'm from everywhere. Thanks for the response. More win. I booked $140. Thank you. Congratulations. That's a joy. That's a joy. As for those that are bothered about me, either I'm using real or demo, that's what I'm after. People booking profits, not after me showing you thousands of money. I'm not after that. You will never see me flaunting money online, okay? It's not as if the money is not there. I think you never see me flaunting money like this online or whatever, saying I have thousands of dollars, I have this. You never see me doing that. And as for you saying this might be fake, this is real. So it's plenty here. So I don't have time for all those things. I don't have anything to prove to anybody. Only what I'm after here is to give you setup for you to make profits. Okay, equal highs at 5197. If I see a liquidity sweep there, I might shut down to 5125. No problem. It's your choice. If you like, you can shut down to 5110.5. We are already on 200 plus pips with my community. So I'm not bothered with anybody. Okay, so the setup has delivered 200 plus pips from N3. Congratulations to everyone that joined. Don't forget to like, comment, don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next live. Okay, I go live every day, anytime, either UK session or US session. I come live every day and give everybody setups to trade for free, guys. I'm always here for 1 hour for free. No one is paying me. Okay, so I'm only paying myself and also paying you guys with my free setups. So that's like a free work. So I see no reason why someone will still join and still give you hate comments for still giving free work. Okay. So thank you guys. It's already 1 hour, 2 minutes. So I'm gonna end the live right now. Congratulations to everyone. More wins to come, guys. That's the aim. Thank you for joining. See you on the next one. Bye.